Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I turned the sugar cane that I got from my neighbors into sugarcane juice for my little ones to enjoy, and the mistakes that I made. First, I cut the sugar cane that had roots and put them in a bucket of rainwater. I will be planting them later. I am also regrowing some sugar cane that I received from Cuba. I put copper wire in it to help it grow. I will be doing an up-to-date video on how the copper wire is helping my sugarcane, so stay tuned. This beauty is my sugarcane that I got from Orlando. The growth have been amazing just in 4 months. To the video, you want to cut up the sugarcane sticks into manageable sizes. When you are doing this, you want to be careful. I tried it with just a knife and it did not work, so I had to use a meat tenderizer to help me out. Once you cut them down to safety size, you want to cut off the skin. Now, once you get rid of the skin, you want to cut down the sugar cane into small pieces. Even though I had done this, it did not go well when I tried juicing them. Once I started putting the pieces into my juicer, it would not push through the filter, so I had to switch to my blender. I ended up adding too much, so I had to remove some and do it little by little. When you are blending sugarcane, you want to add a little water to get it going. Once blended, you want to squeeze all that good juice from the pulp. If you have little pieces in your juice, just filter it out. As for the skin and pulp, I will be putting them into my compost. Now, my question to you is, would you guys try this? I will be trying this again, but I will be using different tools and eating them just in small pieces. This was a lot of work for only 36 ounces of juice. Now, the juice was good, but not worth it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And remember to eat clean.